And then I'm gonna send this to you.
Yeah.
But how am I gonna send this to you? We're not friends in Zoom.
Send it, Mama. Send it in Mama. Mama, my mom.
I will just tell the admin, okay? I will send it to her and then she will send it to your mom, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so today is Friday. That means another lesson for today. So the last class, let us have a review first. In our previous class, guys, we had all about vocabulary, right? We learned about different words and then we did a lot of worksheets. Now, you said the last time that your class in English now is about degrees of comparison of adjectives. So we are going to do that tonight, okay? Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. So let me share my screen, Sky, and let's have our lesson for tonight. Okay. So my lighting is not so good. My light is downstairs charging. But anyway, let us have degrees of comparison of adjectives. Okay. Du-du-du-du. But before that, let us define the word adjective. What is an adjective, Sky?
Or words that describe a noun or a pronoun.
Or it is also
Words that describe a person, a place, a thing, or an event.
very good. Now here we have examples of adjectives. Okay. So our adjective is long, longer, and longest, but they are used in the different sentences. Can you read the example, please?
The pencil is long. The marker is longer than the pencil. The ruler is the longest among the three.
Okay. So we're going to talk about that now. So how to use your compare degree of comparison of adjectives. So we are
Did you make
going
this
to
slide?
what?
Did you make this slide? Did
No,
you
no,
make
no.
this slide?
No, I did not. Okay, so here we have it's a ready-made slide.
Uh,
So the first one is the positive degree. The second one is the comparative degree, and then the last is the
but
superlative.
we're done with we're done learning that in our class. The
Okay,
comparative degree and the superlative degree, but not we didn't learn about the positive degree.
okay. The positive degree is what? Can you read this one?
The positive degree of comparison is used to state the quality of a person or a thing without comparing it with other persons or things. The form of the adjective is not changed.
Okay, so it will still remain the same. Okay, the adjective that you're going to use is not going to change compared to the comparative and superlative that you have to add letters. Okay, so for example, long, beautiful, pretty, handsome, big, pretty, big, strong. Those are positive degree. They are in positive. Okay. Or here are more example. Long, quiet, expensive, and then young. Okay. So they are. Again, when you use this one, Sky, you are not comparing anything. So you're just basically describing. For example, I have a beautiful face. Okay. So I'm just describing. Okay, beautiful. Now, when you say comparative, Sky, that's the time what is this all about?
The comparative degree of comparison is used when two persons or things being compared. It expresses that a quality is present to a greater or lesser degree in one of the two persons or things being compared.
Okay, so here we are going to finally compare. But you can compare them. It's either greater or lesser. For example, we have, oh, before that, for the form of this one is you have to add ER. Okay.
More,
Okay. So
more
can
or less.
Yes. So to form the comparative degree, you
The
have to
word
add
or the
ER,
word.
okay, added to one syllable adjectives. The word more or less is used with adjective having three or more syllables. But you can also use this with two syllable adjectives, okay? ER or the word more or less is used. So of course, we have examples here. Okay. So can
Long,
you read our
longer, quiet,
examples?
more quiet. Long, longer, quiet, quiet. No, quiet, more quiet, expensive, less expensive, young, younger.
Very good. Can you use the word less expensive in a sentence?
Um, hold on.
Okay, it's okay. Take your time.
Um, hold on. What is that? A pancit canson is less expensive than a microwave. A
Of
pack
course.
a, a pack a pack of pancit canton is less expensive than the microwave.
Okay, that's correct. Less expensive. Well done. Okay. How about we try the word younger?
Younger.
Hmm? But this time okay. You're not going to use than, you're going to use as.
At Other than.
Okay.
Hold on. My little sister is younger at the than all of us.
No. If
I
it's going
don't
to be like that, it's going to be youngest. But here it's younger. You're just going to compare it to not
shoot
all,
this
but just one, right?
my little sister is at me. That younger than me. My
Okay,
sister is
younger.
younger than me.
Okay, you can use that. Okay, so your sister is younger than you. So that's it for our example. You did really well here, Sky. How about we try superlative degree? How about superlative degree? What is it, Sky?
The superlative degree of comparison is used in comparing three or more person or things. It expresses that a quality is possessed to the greatest or least degree by one of the persons or things included in the comparison.
Okay. So it expresses that a quality is possessed to the greatest or the least degree. So our examples here are da, 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 da. Oh, before that, let's talk about the form first. For the form, okay, the superlative degree, add est to one syllable adjectives, then the word most or least is used with adjectives having three or more syllables. With two syllable adjectives, you can add est or the word most. Okay? So here are the example. Can you read our
So
example?
long, quiet, expensive, young, longer, more quiet, less expensive, younger. Hold on, hold on. Longest, most quiet, least expensive, youngest.
Okay, very good. Now, can you use the word most? quiet in a sentence?
The library is the most quiet. It's the most quiet than
No.
all of. Huh? Hold
You
on.
can just simply say the library is the most quiet in our school.
The library is the most quiet in our school. Done.
Can you use it again in a different sentence?
Uh,
You can talk about a person.
our local library is the most quiet than my school library.
You're comparing. You're comparing it to only one. So
Oh,
not counted.
my local library is the most quiet than my school library and and I don't know.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay. We are not going to use than for our superlative form. Okay.
Then what?
Then you're just going to like what I said earlier. Okay.
What?
Let's use okay again the word most quiet in a sentence. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
How do we use it in a sentence? You said earlier it's all about the library, right? The library was the most quiet place in the building. Okay, so you're not going to compare it to another library. You're going to compare it to all. Okay, all. Okay, not just to this library and then this library, to all. Okay, let's say, how about Sky is quiet. Chloe is more quiet than Sky. Now, let's have a name. Teacher Ali is the quietest or most quiet of them all. I'm the winner. Okay, so like that, right? First, I have one sentence that is all about one person, which is Guy. And then for comparative, I have a sentence which is all about Sky and Chloe. I am comparing Sky and Chloe. Now, in the third sentence, there are three people involved. Sky, Chloe, and Teacher Ali. But the most quiet is Teacher Ali. So I don't need to say your name anymore. Okay? It should be like that. How about, okay, we're going to have more of that later on when we are going to form, um, we're going to
Big,
form
bigger, bigger, shine,
sentences. Okay, you
shiner,
read this one?
shiner. Big, bigger, bigger, shine, shiner,
Shine.
shiners.
Shinnis. Shine.
Shiner,
Yeah, that's right. Shine, shine.
big, bigger, bigger, shine, shiner, shiners. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Simple, simpler, simplest.
Very good. Next.
Nutritious, more nutritious. Most nutritious, delicious, less delicious, least delicious, modest, more modest, most modest, respectful, more respectful, most respectful,
Yes. Next.
sweet, sweeter, sweetest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, studious, more or less studious, most or least studious, beautiful, more or less
Studious.
beautiful, most or least beautiful.
Okay. The word is studious. Can you say it again?
Studios.
Yes. That means you like to study a lot. Are you studious? Are you? Maybe just a little bit. Are you studious, Guy? Just a little bit.
Molecule.
Okay.
A molecule.
Next, aside from these, we have
good or well, better or best, the better, best, bad or ill, worse and worst, worse and worse, many or much, more and most, little, less, least.
Okay. Now let's have an exercise.
Can I get
Complete
a
the table.
paper?
Okay, sure.
A paper. I think it's a paper. With a paper.
Okay, let's do an exercise. So here you're just going to complete the table below with the correct degree of comparison of adjectives. Number one. Da-da-da-da.
Brighter. Bright. Brighter. Is it correct? Wrong spelling wrong?
Yes, of course. The word is already there. Wrong spelling wrong.
We
Next.
are ready. Hold on. Number two.
Number two. This time is in the middle.
Hold on. Can you go up? Can you go to number one again so I can like get a hint? Okay, now I know.
What? Why would you need a hint?
Kinder.
Comparative. If the positive is kind,
Mo-
what's the
More,
comparative degree?
more kind. Okay.
Are you sure?
Kind.
The superlative is kindest.
More kind.
Okay. Cannot see what you're writing. Okay, I'm gonna check that later. Number three. Are we now in number three?
Yes.
Three.
Number three.
Sky is positive is
Comparative.
bold. Comparative is bolder.
More bold. Most boldest. Hold on, wait. Most boldest. The boldest. Bold. I don't know. I'll write my final answer. Okay, number four.
Number four.
Number four.
Positive is cold.
Let
Comparative
the
is.
comparative. Cold. Number five.
Wow, that was fast. Okay. The comparative is cleverer and
Clever.
cleverest.
Number six.
Okay, number six.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
Comparative is and
yeah.
then huh?
This one is an irregular adjective. Remember the irregular adjectives?
What is that?
Hmm. You even read this one earlier.
Can I go back? Can we go back?
Oh, I don't know the answer.
Woo!
Okay. I'll just give you an example of irregular adjective. For example, is good, but the comparative is better. The superlative is best. Good, better, best. How about for worse and worst? What is the opposite of good?
Worse.
That's already comparative and superlative.
Oh, Okay. I will not tell my answers.
Okay.
I'll just repeat. Okay, number
Okay.
7. Is there number 7?
Okay, number 7. Brave, braver.
Brave, braver, Okay. Go down. Is there number 8?
Number 8. Pale. Oh!
Uh,
Okay,
oh, thank you for the answer.
the comparative is paler and then palest. All done?
Yep. Is that the last question?
No, there's actually 30 of this.
30 questions!
You know, but we only have how many minutes left? 8 minutes. So I'm going to
Okay,
stop
number
when it's
10.
almost time so that I can check your answer.
10, number 10. I'm done with number 9.
10.
Gold. Wow. Costly?
Uh-huh. Costly. And then
Okay, number 11.
oh wow, that was fast. 11.
Lazier? Lazy. What?
Supposedly the letter is
Number 12.
wow. Wow, that was fast.
Oh,
Okay.
wait, it's Z? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, number 12.
Here you go.
Well, well,
Wealthier, wealthiest. Wealthier, wealthiest.
hold on. Okay, number 13. I'm at the back page already.
Fatter, fattest. Fatter, fattest.
Number 14.
Okay.
Number 14.
Thin, thinner.
Number 15.
15.
Dime. What?
Dim. Dimmer.
Dime.
All done? Your words are really big. That's why you're now on the back page. Okay. All done?
Okay, done.
Okay. Next, number 16. Active, more active. Active. Teacher Ali is active.
Barbie. 17. No, I'm about to run out of pages. I have to get another
I
paper.
think we will just have until 20.
Oh, okay. I think I have
Okay.
more. I think I have this.
Okay, you can do. Oh, but okay. I think it just make it smaller. Okay, if the comparative is more cunning, the superlative is most cunning. What is
Okay, I'm
positive?
done.
Oh, wow. Okay. 18. Blended. Most splendid.
Splendider. No.
Splendid. Okay, what number is this? 18. Two more and then we're done. All done?
Okay, number 19.
19. Ooh.
Girl.
So,
Evil. Least evil. Number 20.
20. The last one. Ill.
Worse. More worse.
Okay, all done?
Wait,
It's time to
I'm
check
done.
your answer. Okay, I have to see your paper. Oh, no, no, no. I'm just gonna share again. Let's just have this way. And then you tell me, okay? You're just going to tell
Okay,
teacher.
number
You only
1.
have 3 minutes to check. Let's
Okay, number 1, number 1. Number
number
1.
1. What is your answer?
Number 1 is brightest.
Huh?
That's superlative degree.
Okay, brightest, correct. Number 2.
More kind.
No,
Kinder.
kinder. It's one syllable word. Kind. So this is already your clue, kindest. So you're just going to change ST to kinder.
More
Okay?
kinder.
No, there's no more anymore, just kinder. Okay? Remember, you only use more when the adjective is a 3 or more syllable.
Oh, no, I use a lot of more.
Yeah. Oh no, we're gonna see. Okay. Number 3
Boldest.
was okay.
Boldest.
Very good. Number 4.
Colder.
Correct. Colder. Correct. You put a check. Um, how about number 5?
Clever.
Correct. It's clever. Number 6.
Bad.
Mm, bad. Worse. Worst. How
Yeah.
about brave? Braver.
Bravest. Bravest.
Bravest. Correct. This one, number 8.
Pale.
Tail. Okay.
I don't know
How
what
about
that
here?
means. White.
Tail. I'm gonna tell you later. Okay.
White.
White. Yes. White. Whiter. Whitest.
Most costly.
Uh, okay. So it's costlier. Okay. Not most, not more, costlier. But if you answer more costly, that's correct. Okay.
Oh, more costly. That's my answer. More
Without
costly.
without are you sure? Can I see?
Oh no, what did you say? What did you say?
It's
What did you say?
either costlier or more costly.
That's my answer. More costly.
Can I see your paper?
It, it's here. It's more cost.
Or okay, correct. Put a check on there. You are correct. Oh no, it's already time, Sky. We're only until
Okay.
10. Can you
One,
keep
two, hold
your
on.
paper?
Okay, we'll check
Oh,
what's today?
okay, you're going to keep that. We'll still have it on Wednesday, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye, Sky. Thank you very much.